Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. Hey Kooks! This question says, the function f is given as f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 5. Find f of 2, f of negative 1, f of 0, f of negative x, and f of t plus 2. So let's start by finding f of 2. So how do we find f of a number? Well, what you do is you just plug in this 2 for x into the function here, and you plug it in for all the x's you see in the actual function. So let's go ahead and plug in 2 and see what we get. So we're finding f of, and then we're going to plug in 2. So we're plugging in 2 wherever we see an x. Notice I'm doing it in red here, so you can clearly see where we're plugging it in. All right, so let's simplify. So 2 squared is 4, plus 3 times 2 is 6. So that means f of 2 equals 4 plus 6, and then minus 5. 4 plus 6 is 10, minus 5 is 5. So that tells us f of 2 equals 5. All right, so there is our first function value. Next, let's find f of negative 1. So we'll bring down a new function. Now we're going to plug in negative 1. So f of, and then we're going to plug it in red here so you can see that we are plugging in negative 1 for x. All right, so we simplify f of negative 1 equals negative 1 squared, which is 1, and then 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, so we have 1 minus 3 minus 5. 1 minus 3 is negative 2, minus 5 is negative 7. So f of negative 1 equals negative 7. All right, next we're going to find f of 0. All right, so f of 0 just means we plug in 0 wherever we see x. So we plug in 0 there, and then we also plug in 0 here for x. Now we simplify. 0 squared is just 0. 3 times 0 is 0. So we have 0 plus 0 minus 5, which is just negative 5. So f of 0 equals negative 5. All right, we're almost there. Now we need to find f of negative x. So here's our function. So we're going to plug in negative x in place of x. And yes, you can plug in variables for variables. So we'll plug in negative x here. Squared plus 3 times negative x minus 5. All right, so we just simplify. What's negative x squared? That's negative x times negative x, which is positive x squared. Next, we have 3 times negative x, which is negative 3x. And then we just bring down the negative 5. And there's no like terms there, so this is our answer for f of negative x. Lastly, we need to find f of t plus 2. So that tells us we're going to plug in a t plus 2 wherever we see x. So here we're going to plug, for this x here, we'll plug in t plus 2. And then for this x, we'll also plug in t plus 2 minus 5. All right, so now we just have to simplify all this. This is a binomial squared, so we're going to have to FOIL that guy out. So f of t plus 2 times t plus 2. And then here we distribute the 3 into the t plus 2 here. So this becomes 3t plus 6. So plus 3t plus 6, and then bring down the minus 5 here. All right, so now we FOIL this guy out. So the t here we're going to distribute to both these guys here. And then we have f of t plus 2. So this is going to be t squared and then the outside here is 2t. The inside is also 2t, so we have plus 2t plus 2t again. Then we have 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 3t. I'll go ahead and combine the plus 6 minus 5, which gives us positive 1. All right, so now we combine like terms here. So I see 2t, 2t, 3t. Then we have a plus 4 and a plus 1. So f of t plus 2. There's only one t squared, so we can just bring that down. 2t plus 2t plus 3t gives us 7t. And then we have positive 4 plus 1, which is plus 5. All right, so there is our answer for f of t plus 2. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.